Hey Fit fans, it's Tara, and I just wanted to show everybody my workout space. I got a lot of questions about how much space do you need to be able to work out in your home. And this is where my magic happens. And it's messy because it's my basement, and we're cleaning some stuff out. But, basically I have a mat because it's a hard floor. You don't necessarily need that. These are my weights. I think I got them at Sears for about $40. They range from 2.5 pounds to 12.5 pounds, and you can change the pounds with just this little lever guy here. Changes the weight. Also got my lovely thigh toner band that came with both my TurboFire and my Chalene Extreme program. Great for the outer thighs. Over here I have my workout bands. This is, the tubing is resistance tubing, is another name for it. And this comes also in different sizes and different resistance. Comes with several of the Beachbody programs. And I got one with Chalene Extreme and one with TurboFire. So a lot of the programs with Beachbody, they come with everything that you need. You don't need a lot of space. This is I have a decent amount of space here in my basement, but you just need a 6x6 area. You can do that in the living room, in your bedroom. You don't need a whole lot of space, is the bottom line. So, those of you that think you need special equipment to work out at home, or, and this is my pull-up bar from P90X. I don't have it up right now, but see, there it is. You don't need a whole lot of special equipment to work out at home. So I just wanted to show you guys that today. Hope you have a strong day.